Lithophane Christmas Ball. From stillness to light, each glow is a whisper of love and memory. At first, it looks like a simple Christmas ornament, calm, detailed, and delicate. But when the light shines through, your photo quietly comes to life. Available in 60 millimeters. $80 and 100 millimeters. Each one crafted to hold a story of its own. Every lithophane is printed in fine layers. The thicker parts block light, the thinner ones let it pass through. A keepsake that glows with every memory. Crafted with heart. A glow that brings every piece of love to life. Make this season shine with a keepsake that tells your story. Send us a message to order your own Lithophane Christmas ball. Little Waves Creative, where prints pop with a splash of color.